Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. NASA has conducted the first successful full-duration firing test of the RS-25E rocket engine designed for use in Space Launch System rockets as part of the Artemis lunar program. The RS-25 engine was first used in the Space Shuttle in 1981, but since then NASA has upgraded it several times and continued to use it even after the shuttle program was phased out. The RS-25E version is a simplified version of the rocket engine used in the space shuttles of the 1980s. First, the engines for the shuttles were intended to be reusable, and in the case of the Space Launch System rocket it was not necessary, which allowed for a simplified design. Secondly, the RS-25E got a new nozzle and controllers, which used new technologies including 3D printing in its production. During firing tests, the engine ran as long as it should run on the launch of the Space Launch System rocket, 8.5 minutes. The first such test was conducted in December 2022, but the test was aborted after 3.5 minutes. The RS-25E engine has a thrust of 182 tons when the rocket is launched and 222 tons in a vacuum. It is the most powerful rocket engine in the US and the most efficient. NASA and Aerojet Rocketdyne modified 16 engines from the Space Shuttle program that were deemed suitable for Artemis missions. The firing tests were conducted at the Fred Haise stand, a facility that is 60-meter high structure. Each engine that will be used to launch the Space Launch System will be tested at this test site. In addition to testing the engines, NASA is simultaneously building 3 rockets for the Artemis program missions. As with the first launch, the Space Launch System rockets that will go to the Moon on the Artemis 2nd and 3rd missions will use a Block 1 configuration with an intermediate cryogenic stage. Beginning with the Artemis the 4th mission, the Space Launch System rocket will be used a more powerful configuration called Block 1B, in which the cryogenic stage will be replaced by the more dynamic exploration upper stage. Boeing, the lead contractor for the Space Launch System main stage, is manufacturing the main stage for the Artemis 2nd mission at NASA's Michoud Assembly Facility in New Orleans. At the same time, technicians continue all work on fabrication and production of the main elements of the main stage for Artemis the 3rd and 4th missions. And at NASA's Stennis Space Center, Aerojet Rocketdyne is working on the RS-25 engines. The company has already completed engine tests for Artemis 3rd and Artemis 4th missions. The cryogenic stage for Artemis 2nd is in final assembly at the Horizontal Integration Facility at contractors Boeing and United Launch Alliance in Florida. United Launch Alliance has also completed production of the cryogenic stage for Artemis 3rd in Alabama facility. 2 5-segment solid rocket boosters are being manufactured by Northrop Grumman, and all 10 engine segments for each of the Artemis 2nd and Artemis 3rd mission launch vehicles have already been completed. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.